Interjection. It is a part of speech used to express sudden feelings or surprise. Okay, in common English, words that are used as interjections are ouch, wow, ah, curve, split, alas, ah, dear, hello, hey, hi, all are the interjection. And as I told you that it indicates or expresses sudden feelings or surprise actions. It's all about interjection, and it's all about parts of speech. Hope you understand. And if you feel any difficulty related to these all the topics that we have covered before, like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, adverb, conjunction, preposition, interjection, conjunction, you may ask me question in the comment box. I will let you know. I will solve your problem. Feel free and ask me questions. Thank you. With your tutor Naz Ujjan, will meet with you with another lecture. Hope you understand and would get information from my lectures. Thank you so much.